very hard to find, as it sounds, of course, yeah. But it's something we are on the lookout for. Especially that we don't hire anybody that is not culturally fit, even if they have the skill. So yeah, biggest country chooses, I guess. So this is us. So this is for our company, AHOY. So I don't know if you know AHOY, but if you're here, especially the first time, so AHOY is my startup, and we are a deep tech company. We do so it's a single layer tech stack for spatial intelligence, basically. So developers can come use it. So your software can understand this real world without using maps and tables, and you don't have to use a facilitator behind the system as a bottleneck to your system. We have been active since 2018, have grown really fast, more than 2,000% year on year, and with like in 100 countries approximately, the user base, or developer base, and we are just launching our Series A as a unicorn now. So it's a profitable company as well. We even just invested, as AHOY, we just invested in a couple of opportunities in the VC fund as well. So there's a VC fund called Actual.VC. You can check the website, Actual Venture Capital, Actual.VC, because we want to change the culture around venture capital. There's a lot of things that we don't like about venture capital here. I think a lot of you have spoken to a lot of VCs, and we have spoken since 2018 to 800 of them globally, and took the money from this many. So, not that it was offered, except for maybe this many or this many. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of the current VC model, personally speaking. And I hope that with this community, with us all together, we can actually make a difference and change in the ecosystem and how entrepreneurship is done. For the guy from Nika, it's called Nika. I like Nika. I'm just good luck, man. Is it your first startup?